Good day everyone, I go by the name Skyward. Please, you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Over the years doing my affiliate marketing business, I've been through so many stages in the business, and I've bagged a lot of experience and secrets that can make you a successful affiliate marketer. Because now affiliate marketing has really gone far above the hard work which we are learned to put in, but now there are many techniques and ways by which you can get sales daily and beautiful sales like the one you can see on the screen. Yes, this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course and has been using it to get sales on his affiliate marketing platform. So this is his ClickBank profile, as you can see, and he's getting really good money. He bought it on September 20 and he started working on it. He did it, as you know, I also manage account for my students, but he just followed my video course and is already doing fine already. So remember, my video course is self-explanatory. When you get my video course, you get other secrets and other important information which you should know as an affiliate marketer to become a successful affiliate marketer. Yes, because it's not by the hard work, it's by the smart work. So learn today so that you can earn today. So get my video course and software and start earning really good money on any of your affiliate marketing platform, because my software is only applicable to ClickBank alone. You can use it on other digital affiliate marketing platform to get sales to your platform. So to get this video course and software today, you can just contact me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com or text me through the number you can see on the screen on Telegram. Remember, you can always contact me and get the software anytime. And I also manage accounts for my students also. If you are my student, if you are getting my software and video course, and maybe you need me to manage your account for a while so that you can be perfect, or you need me to explain to you, I'm always accessible to my students. I'm always available. So if you get my video course, I will also become your mentor. And there are other more videos and more software that I'm still working on, which will also come up on this channel. So do well to follow me and like my videos. So to get the software and video course today and start earning real good money on any of your affiliate marketing platform, contact me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com or text me through the number you can see on the screen on Telegram. Text me today and get your video course and start earning real good. If you get your software today and video course by tomorrow, I promise you will start to earn really good money, because that's how my students are doing. Because my software work immediately. You don't need to wait, like there's no delay. It's very easy to use for anyone. You don't need to have any experience on affiliate marketing or on the software before you can use the software and to get sales on your ClickBank affiliate marketing platform. So do contact me today and get your software. Thank you.